What's up, you guys? Welcome to the We Are the Heights channel. This is our first official video, you guys. What this is, it's gonna be a family vlog. So we're gonna do challenges and pranks and do crazy stuff and just have fun. And you guys can just witness us being a crazy family. So, first challenge today, you guys. We are gonna try to explode a watermelon with rubber bands. I'm hoping that it works. That's gonna happen later on. I can't wait. Avery, our almost 5-year-old, is gonna be kind of leading the show, you guys. Stay tuned. And while you're at it, go ahead and pound the subscribe button and hit the like button. We're just waiting for our watermelon and rubber bands to get delivered, you guys, and then I'm gonna go pick up Avery and Maddox from daycare. We're gonna go home, get set up, get this rocking and rolling. You guys, feel free, comment. Do you think that this thing's gonna work? Do you think this is gonna explode, or do you think it's gonna be a fail? Fail, or is it gonna explode? I'm hoping it explodes. Let's go. Come on, Maddie. Come on, let's go bye-bye. You guys ready? Let me see. Let me see it. Hi. Ah! You're crazy, you're crazy, you're crazy. You're crazy.
We're doing a watermelon challenge.
So what do you do?
So you put the rubber band around the watermelon and you gotta stretch it out really far.
So what happens?
So it breaks and you have to watch out. That was Maddox.
Are those hard to get on?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Do you think that it looks like a planet? Okay, Avery, hurry, put some on.
Thank you, Maddie. You're so helpful. You're
Serious action in here.
starting to get a little lopsided again.
Mommy, what does that mean?
Means that all the pressure's coming.
Whoa. It is bubbling out.
Oh, I know. I feel it hot.
You think it's getting hot?
How many bags of rubber bands you bought?
Mommy.
Look at all these extras.
We're gonna have to make rubber band balls.
We're gonna have a
after
few
this.
left over. Oh, and there's Maddox's bottle. He's disinterested in the bottle when something cool is going on. Hi, Maddox.
Hi, Dad.
How many rubber bands do you think we have on here?
Seven.
Well, how many packets did we open?
Oh, that's a good question. 2, 3. There's 8,
Avery just entered the serious cool zone with his PPE. Booyah!
Hashtag blend your eyewear.
Protecting the eyes.
Me too.
This guy. Old North Idaho.
Fast because it is about to pour, you
Try to
guys.
put all the rubber
is gonna
bands on
pour.
top
Mommy,
of the
Look
rubber
at this
bands.
guy.
Me
He's
too.
starting to bubble up at the top.
Yeah, like that. Like
It's
that.
kind of like a muffin top.
Whoa, this might explode already. Daddy, you survived.
Thanks,
I
Maddox.
hope my protection wins.
Getting close. Oh, that thing is leaking everywhere.
You can dunk it on your head.
Leaking everywhere, you guys. This thing's getting ready. It's getting ready to go.
Only 4. 4 at a time. Can you count to 4, Maddox?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice counting.
Are you covering your eyes to count, Maddox? Are
He's playing hide and seek.
Good job. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Yay.
Good job, bud.
There you go. Thank you.
It's getting close, you guys. I think it's getting close. This bad boy.
Oh, look it. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. Let's show him what's going on. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Let's eat some.
Yeah, you guys eat it.
You like that?
How's it taste? We made it happen, you guys.
Maddox? You go, big guy.
How's it taste, bro?
Good.
She's like, what is this amazingness?
No juicy one.
Watermelon fight. It's okay. Cheese. Okay, guys. So we did explode the watermelon. It happened. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will post another video next week. We're not sure what the challenge is, but stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, like our video, and again, thank you guys so much for watching our first family video. Say bye-bye.